This is the Day's Eye Channeling and a reading for the 13th. And we have a full moon in a couple of days, so I wanted to come on and do a video, but definitely feeling quiet lately. And the need to sort of be still. I can definitely feel a lot going on around me in the energy. I channeled some messages, but we're not going to go over them because they're much the same. We'll just take the messages as they come from the cards today. The fire, a clearing, clearing energy, and anger, animosity around change. If we let go of control, that means surrender. We can't control other people or their anger. We can surrender to their choices and distance ourselves from the heat of the fires that they create in their own lives. This fire is based on a straight line. So what I'm getting here is boundaries. Boundaries in place. On the reverse, we have the water. One of the messages that came out was Noah's Ark and 2x2. I'm not feeling the need these days to give as much of what I'm intuiting from these cards. I think it's really important for you to do that. I could give you the messages that I'm hearing, but it's really important for you to come up and trust, what it is that you're taking away from these readings, with just a little bit of guided advice or information that I can provide. I think now is a time that each and every one of us is being called to go within and trust the messages that you're personally receiving. And if you're not used to that, then now's a good time to begin that practice. The Two of Swords, here's the 2x2. The burrowing owl. Blind faith. So this has to do with knowing what you know. Even if you don't have the facts laid out before you on paper, or you don't have the information, official word given to you yet. You know what you know. And this surrounds the 4th house of home. Reliance on outside sources can become a crutch and debilitate your own intuition. And these do look like crutches, don't they? I'm getting someone's in bad health, and they almost need crutches to get around now. They're that weak. I'm also getting 2 significant deaths here. And the Knight of Cups. A messenger. Water energy. The Knight of Cups takes action, and it is derived from emotion. We just want to make sure that we're just not taking action because of our emotions all the time. Hopefully, at some point, it's deeper than that, goes beyond our emotions. It becomes a choice that you're making between right and wrong. There's 2 swords here, that's choices. And there's 2 of everything in this world, and you've been given free will to choose. However, it's sort of a trick, because we reap what we sow sooner or later. Ooh, that flew on the ground. So we have caching and waterproof, and I'll get the one that fell on the ground. Exposed, upright. So, a lot of energy surrounding the exposure of the situation at hand. There was planted, a lot of things were planted. One of them has to do with a setup. They really thought that they were waterproof when they did this, but they weren't. Three years is specific. And the age 53. with 53 and waterproof, reversed, and caching upright 7, which is 15 altogether. That's Friday, which is Major Arcana, the Devil card. This is now current. You can see the clouds in the sky. It's overcast and cold out. And this involves the local area. I am getting that there was a warrant issued for arrest with exposed. I'm sure that some of the people involved are asking themselves why. This is a very severe situation, and that's a question that you'll have to answer and come to terms with for yourself. But all I can say is that this life, this journey, is a test of character. And if we don't heal what needs to be healed, then we'll fail that test every time. All right. I hope you do something warm and cozy inside today that brings comfort to your soul. Ahimsa.